Mr. Kareem, sir, there.
He get a catering job and he did it from morning.
You sure?
Yes, Patsy, I'm sure.
Let me ask you a question. You check next door? To see if the one Ratzilla she have catering services to do too.
What me I do that for?
Because the girl want your man like all the regular girls them want the red cup.
But no.
You know? I just want to make it go just so.
Listen, if Karim no want her, she can never get him.
So, oh you know sitting on one side.
Because him tell me say him did a flirt with her, but him no want her. You get it?
But Jesus, someone ask you something. You believe him?
Yeah. So why would you believe him?
Boy, Jesus is Lord. Look at this. You're sure you don't want to go in our family business? Because right now, you is a proper yam.
Patsy, listen. I'm not gonna live my life and do my man. If I not trust him, better I just leave him.
And you trust him?
Yes, Patsy, why would I trust him?
Because a man named me, a man that name. Hello, how are you man? Day before yesterday? This morning? Girl, wake up, shake up, you're not going well.
No, Patsy, like seriously. What man do you?
What man to me? You mean what me do man? Hello, I'm gonna play with them. Wanna move? I'm not gonna move. What about?
No, me can't do that. You know what I'm saying? You can't do a man do and still be a lady.
Wait, hold on, let me ask you a question. Me tell you send me a lady? Me look like me want to be lady? Let me tell you what lady gets. Lady get born. Lady get black eye. Lady get second relationship. Boy walk over them like formats. Ladies get tech for perky. You say get a right so? Nobody am here.
Don't understand this is something it's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
So Patsy, what you say about man now?
I say with my old chest.
You good?
Yep, I'm good. I finished the some things in the same.
Patsy,
Patsy?
Chris?
Patsy, what man? Yeah, mister. Patsy. How man? Yeah, mister.
I ask you a question. Because I'm confused. What is your job? You're a pharmacist? Oh, wait. I get it now. Yeah, water commissioner, sir, by day, and pharmacist by night. So when they give me the pill at night time, give me the water for take it at daytime. Oh, that's not the time for wait.
Patsy, hear me say now. You don't understand. All of this for.
Chris, you realize, say, from the last time I see you with the little scammer boy, you don't say nothing to me? I know you want to come talk up to me like the whole time they never pass.
So, one to you couldn't reach out to me too.
Boy!
Patsy. Alright, Patsy, here we go. I don't know where me did go wrong in the first part, but I never see that side there. Right now, you surprised me the way you move, and I honestly never do nothing. We just see that move the normal way. So what happened now?
When I got to school, them the teacher for read, don't they? One second question. Them teacher for read a water commission? Come here like say me tell you can read. You can't read signs.
Obviously, because I never see that side there. But I never really think, say, I check for things, I just think, say, I want to move, because I say I did a move.